can you explain how all these new developments really are coming together to build that new agentic web?
Yeah, first of all, thanks so much for being at the developer conference. And for us, it's interesting. When I think about this, we're at that moment, right? Whatever, 2-3 years into a platform shift, and you start talking about the platform, not just about the one app or the few apps and how they got built, right? Because you're about to sort of start scaling things in a much more, I'll call it generalized way, where as a developer, you can start seeing how to build it. I mean, one of the best things that we talked about was that Stanford demo, right? Stanford Medicine. Think about it, right? Something high stakes like a tumor board meeting. How do you use AI to have better tumor board meetings? Like, that's a real thing that one can go to work on. In order to make that the case, though, you really have to get data from pathology, from multiple labs, from PubMed, all getting orchestrated by multiple agents, right? And then have it show up where users are. In that case, it was Teams. If you're a teacher who goes to a tumor board meeting and then wants to go to a class as a teaching doctor, you want to be able to turn that into PowerPoint. It's like that type of orchestration is what you want to be able to build. And I feel to do that, you got to build up a real stack, right? Where every layer is open, it composes, there are standards, there are protocols, and I feel like we're finally there. And so what was exciting to me is to have the stack from sort of Microsoft 365 Copilot to Foundry all compose with some of these things like NL Web and MCP to create this agentic web. In some sense, I feel like even the original ethos of the web, maybe we can rediscover it, which is the true openness.
Yeah, and it sort of seems like Microsoft's trying to build this all-in-one UI where you can manage fleets of agents all in one spot.